At RepairPal, we strive to give customers trust, quality, and fair pricing in caring for their cars. That's why we're excited to announce that we now have 2,500 shops in the RepairPal Certified network. This milestone means it's easier than ever for you to find a trustworthy shop to take care of your car. No need to ask your friends or coworkers who they use, or to look at websites that don't review their shops for quality. We've got you covered, no matter where you are. Since 2007, we've built the nation's largest network of high-quality shops, one rigorous evaluation at a time, reviewing technician training, customer satisfaction, and ensuring shops use high-quality parts, all while charging a fair price. And we keep in touch with these shops to make sure both shops and their customers are getting value from this relationship. More people than ever are being introduced to the RepairPal Certified network of shops. We'll keep looking for the best shops out there to ensure you'll find an excellent mechanic whenever and wherever you need one. Now that's something to celebrate. Visit RepairPal.com to find a trusted shop near you.